make a breakfast burrito, y'all. Really easy with anything in your refrigerator. I was hungry this morning. I got up and I did not have bread in the house, but I did have some burritos. So, in the pan, two teaspoons of butter. You see it heating up right there. I want that pot, that pan, nice and hot so that I can fry up my garlic. Your girl loves garlic, so there's always going to be some garlic somewhere. And now I am adding some peppers to the mix. You could use any kind of peppers, any kind of vegetable, but these are the ones that I had in the refrigerator. And you fry your veggie how you want it. I like mine well cooked. You can just steam yours. I think people would say if you steam it is better. Oh yeah, I like to kill my veggies. As you can see, I added some spinach. So right now we have garlic, we have spinach, we got peppers, and I'm steaming them. You will notice that I am not putting no seasoning in there because the next ingredient has all the seasoning that we want in there. If you do not like a bunch of salt or a bunch of pepper or anything, just season up your eggs. There you go, like you would. So in my eggs, I just added salt and pepper, y'all. It is eggs. You don't need a whole lot in there, and you'll see why. The only thing I added was salt and pepper because I still have a secret ingredient that's gonna bring up the flavor a little bit. So while that's in there cooking, you're making basically an omelet. I'm adding now some cheese. Yes, cheese to the mix. This is the thing why I say leftovers is because I have no shredded cheese. This is all the cheese that I have left. What I did, oh, by the way, it was frozen also. So if you see them breaking up right here, I'm purposely trying to break it up because it is frozen and stuck to each other. So there you go. I'm adding in some cheese, any kind of cheese, whatever you prefer. It does not matter. Just add some cheese for flavor and then hoops okay before your egg dries up, y'all. You have to add this right here. Look at this. Look at magic. The burrito. But make sure your egg is still runny so that everything, once the cheese start melting, the egg start drying up, guess what it's gonna do? Stick to your burrito. And I wash my hands, y'all. This is my breakfast, so yeah, don't let me hear y'all in the comments. Why you using your bare hands? Because I'm the one that's gonna eat it. But of course, if you're preparing for visitors, you put on a gloves or something. But just make sure you wash your hands before you cook any type of foods, even if it's for yourself. Anyway, here goes my breakfast burrito. I'm gonna flip that bad boy over and look. Ooh, doesn't that look delicious? Look what we got, y'all. It looks scrumptious. I want to eat this all over again, y'all. But let's continue cooking. I'm going to roll it. By this time it's done. It's nice and heated up. My egg is cooked. The spinach, the onions, the garlic blended in, salt and pepper, and that cheese. So now we're going to roll it, and voila. We have a breakfast burrito. Look at that baby. Don't mind the lightning, y'all. I thought it was a little bit darker, but I'm guessing not. Look at that. And it tasted so good. Let's taste it again. Eeks. Ooh, look at that, y'all. And it's hot, burning my mouth, but I had to taste it for y'all so y'all can see I'm eating my own breakfast, my own creation, and it was good. Trust and believe me. Try it. You can try it with broccoli, spinach, whatever veggie you have. Just put everything in there, just like you making an omelet, and boom, you have a gorgeous breakfast burrito. Let me know when you try it.